Hello, my name is Dan Lebrecq. In this demo, I'm going to provide a brief look at Project Woodstock. This JavaScript library of widgets were created to provide a consistent look and feel for web applications. Although Project Woodstock still provides JSP tags and JSF components for convenience, the widgets are based on JavaScript and can be used separately from JSP and JSF. For example, developers can use the same widgets with PHP or ASP pages. The example application here doesn't demonstrate all of the available components, but as you can see, there's still quite a few. And for this demo, I'll show the table, drag and drop, accordion, bubble help, rating, progress bar, and tree. So here is the Project Woodstock table. The main feature of the table is that it allows users to paginate through data. I'm currently showing 5 rows per page, and there are a total of 4 pages. Users have the option of changing the number of rows displayed through table preferences. For this example, I'm going to change the number of rows from 5 to 10. Now when I select row 1, you'll notice that the action buttons at the top of the table become enabled. The action buttons and the More Actions menu are defined by the developer. Now I'm going to demonstrate an advanced sort. My primary sort will be the selected items, and the secondary sort will be the last name. I'm going to change the last name from ascending to a descending sort, and click OK. Now if I want to change the order of the sort, I just click on this icon and sort it ascending. Finally, I'll clear the sort, and I'll deselect all columns. And the last feature I want to show is the custom filter. This should reduce the number of rows from 20 to a single row, matching the name I just entered. So for the next demo, I'd like to show the Ajax version of this table. Instead of using pagination controls, it has a scroll bar. Currently there are 10 rows in the table, but there are a total of 20. So that means as I scroll through the amount of data here, I'm going to reach a certain point and go fetch more data from the back end using Ajax. And you notice I've opened up the Firebug window, which will show some more GET requests as I scroll through the data. So as you can see, I fetched another 10 rows, and I'm now able to scroll through all 20 rows. And of course I can apply a sort. I'll sort this descending. And here we have drag and drop. Users can drag images, text, drop-down menus, pretty much anything we decide to assign a drop target to. I'll just drag this over here. I'll drag a menu, and drag another image, and now I can reorder these if I want to, or even drag them back to where I found them. Here we have an accordion. It's a basic accordion. This allows me to expand and collapse panels. And here we have bubble help. As I move over a link, it'll display help about that piece of text. And developers can choose to add links inside here. I could go to the Sun website right now, or they can add icons, like as you can see here. Next we have the rating component. Users can select the number of stars they want to apply to a rating. Or they can remove the rating by clicking the Not Interested icon. Here we have progress bar. Right now the task is paused, but as I click resume, you should see the progress bar start moving to the right. And finally, I can cancel the task. Next, we have an Ajax tree. So I open up the nodes. I can add a new node. So you can see I added node 43 at the bottom of the table. I'll add another one. And if I select a node, I can delete it. Finally, we have some functionality that are common to all of the Ajax-based components. For example, I can disable or enable any component. I can change the label level associated with a component. And I can also change the labels dynamically using Ajax. As you can see, as I type in, the labels are also updating. This is using Ajax, as I said, and it's going through the JSF lifecycle to return the new text to the label. So this concludes my demo of the Project Woodstock components. Thanks for your time.